Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Jupiter Red. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. A clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera, media display, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This CLA has 44,999 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.